I'm out in the yard today and I'm potting up plants to bring in the house. When I'm doing it, I always like to be sure I have a pot that has drainage in the bottom, so it needs to have a hole. If it doesn't, eventually the roots of your plant are going to rot and the plant's going to die. But I want to keep the dirt in the pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a regular paper coffee filter. I'm going to put it down into the pot, and I'm going to take a few rocks, pebbles, even some marbles. Sprinkle in just to hold it down and to drain the water through, and then I'm going to put my dirt in and pot my plants like I've done with these here. It's that simple. No dirty water running out, no rotted roots. Your plants are going to be alive all year long. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.